Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to create handwriting effect in After Effects. Creating a handwriting effect in After Effects is a great way to animate text or graphics as if they are being written or drawn in real time. Here's how you can achieve this effect. If you're creating a handwriting effect with text, use the text tool to type out the text. You can choose a font that resembles handwriting or cursive for a more realistic effect. Now let's create a mask for the handwriting path. Go to Layer, New, Solid. The color doesn't matter since this layer will be used as a mask. Name this layer mask and make sure it covers the entire composition, then hit OK. Now to make your AS visible, decrease the opacity of the solid layer. Then choose the pen tool or just press G and make sure the mask layer is selected. Draw a mask path that follows the shape of your text or graphic. The mask should follow the order in which you want the handwriting to appear. For example, if you're writing the letter A, start at the beginning of the letter and create the mask path as if you're tracing the stroke of a pen. Then increase the opacity to 100%. With the mask layer selected, go to Effect, Generate, Stroke. In the Effect Controls panel, set the paint style to reveal original image. This setting makes the stroke act as a mask that reveals the text or graphic underneath. Set the brush size to match the thickness of your text or graphic strokes. Increase the brush hardness to make the stroke edges crisp and clean. Set the stop parameter to 0%. Click the stopwatch icon next to stop to set a keyframe at the beginning of the timeline. Move the playhead to where you want the handwriting to finish and set the stop parameter to 100%. This will animate the stroke to reveal the text or graphic as if it's being written. Press spacebar to preview your handwriting animation. Make any necessary adjustments to timing, path, or stroke settings. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.